Hello everyone, in this video, I will be going over how to use ChatGPT by OpenAI for beginners. So let's get started. First, you open your browser and type chat.openai.com. You need to log in first if you don't have an account yet. Then, I will just provide the link down below on the description box on how to create an account on ChatGPT by OpenAI. So, this is where you can add a prompt. For example, I want to ask ChatGPT this: write me a song about heartache. As you can see, it's giving us lyrics about heartaches. It has verses and a chorus also. But if you don't like the song that was generated by the AI, then you can just regenerate it and it will give us other lyrics. So, you can also ask ChatGPT to write an essay or research or anything. With the right prompt, ChatGPT will be very useful to you. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.